Hello everyone, my name is William. I'm the manager of the No Frills Volleyball League, and this video is about how to get yourself registered into the No Frills site so that you can then sign up for league activities, whether that's signing up a team to play in the league or signing up as an individual. In order to do that, you need to basically register yourself, and this area in the right hand side of the site, you'll see this on every page, is a register now area. You can click register now, sign up, or sign in. Sign in is obviously after you've created your account, so either one of these two buttons will work. We'll click register now in this case, and it'll basically take us to the different areas that you can register, like the different activities that we are offering that you can sign up for. But because you're not quite registered yet, you need to go and sign up. So we'll click the sign up button. So again, you can either click the sign up button here or again in the right hand side. This is a very small area here. You can sign up for yourself or sign up for someone else, but just basically click sign up for yourself if that's what you're wanting to do, and then type in your information. And a legitimate email address is also very useful because you will get a confirmation email, and without it you may not be able to go very much farther. So after you've done it, you click the sign up button. It'll ask you, it'll confirm obviously the information you've typed in. If it looks correct and you don't need to change it, then you don't click the change button, you just go to confirm. And then you'll enter up this new page. So then you'll be able to create your information. Obviously it fills in the first parts. It'll ask you for your home phone number. Only one phone number is fine. Then your address, the city that you're in, the country obviously, because this site does serve more than just the country of Canada. Province, your postal code. We'll type all that information in. Actually, what I'll do is I'll pause this recording, I'll type in all the information, and just before we enter, before we click the sign up part, I'll start the video again so you can see what I've done. So hang on. Okay, we're back. So we've gone in and put in our information, our one phone number we can be reached at. That information will be used basically when team reps need to reach you. If you're a team, or even if you're an individual player, they need somebody to, some way to contact you. So if email isn't the best option, then at least a phone or a text number would be useful there. Obviously I've put in Vancouver, some of the other information, the province, the postal code, my date of birth, and my gender. Then I click the I am not a robot verification CAPTCHA box, and then from there I click sign up, and it'll tell me if I missed anything, which I have. So just to keep things going, in case it does show you that something's missing, you just need to go and put in some information. So in our case, we'll put in the league's address. You've got to click in the box. Okay, now we'll give that a try again. Notice that when you get the refresh, that you have to click the I am not a robot button again, and then try the sign up. Then you'll be asked for a verification. It looks like you may already have an account, because I do have an account already. It'll give me some options. You can use an original account, contact support if I'm having a problem, or create a new account. I do want to create a new account, so that's what I'm going to do. So I click create new account. You may not be offered those three options, but because I already had an account, that's why it was asking me that. So we've created it successfully. Please check your email for your password, then return to this page to your account. In your account text, and you'll be able to add family members if you like, and then click OK. All right, so now you basically have to wait for that email to come into your email to verify, and we'll pause the video again and you'll take a look at that in just a sec. All right, so I checked my email and got this email here, this information. And so the other key reason why you need a legitimate email is because it's going to give you a password that you need. And so in this case, this is going to be my password. I want to copy that and that's what I'm going to use to enter into the password section of the sign in portion. So it's also a good idea to click this link to take you to my profile page, because then that tells the system that you have confirmed it. Okay, so after we've gotten the confirmation email and got to this page from clicking the link, we type in our email address and the password we paste in or copy in or type in from the email, the information, and then we click sign in, and it'll take us into the account. And from here you have a lot of different options. You can add family members, you can register now. If we have memberships, which the league doesn't currently have, you could click on that and see what's available there. Right now there won't be anything there. I can even click on it now to show you, but there's nothing there. And then there's help and support if you need it for some reason. The system is housed by esportsdesk.com, and you'll see that at the top left corner here where it says my user account. And these are the folks that have created this system for us. So if you click help and support, you'll be speaking with their support system rather than myself. If you contact us directly by email at the email you just saw, info@nofrillsvolleyball.com, then we'll be able to help you personally on your situation. And if I can't help you, then I definitely will ask the people at Esports Desk to come and help and clean up the situation. Add the family member is something that I'll just leave for you, but basically if you want to add a family member, you click on that, then you click on, add a family member again here, which you just saw me do, and then you type in the information and you click continue, and there's several steps along the way. Okay, so we won't go any further into that aspect. The only other thing I wanted to really show you here is the register now. You can click register now here or register on the left hand side. You'll have the same links down the left hand side plus a few extras like players list and that kind of thing. So you can hit register and you'll see that there's two different kinds of things to register for. There's competitions and teams and leagues. We'll click teams and leagues. So it'll still show both the competitions and the teams and leagues anyways when it goes to that page. And so you'll be able to see what's available here. If you see a button, that means you can register right away for it. And if you don't see any buttons next to the activity, that means that the registrations are currently not open to sign up for those events yet. But you will usually see information in this right column that basically says when the registrations will open. So that gives you an idea of when you'll see those buttons in the right hand side. So basically that's it. That's what you need to do to create your user account. And then in the next video we'll show you how to actually register as either a player. Actually we'll do two separate videos for those that want to register as players and for those that want to register a team. But this is how you create your user account. That's the first step, and then the second step will be to sign up as a player or a team. So that's it for now. Thanks for checking it out, and come and join us in the next video.